What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. This time we got a hot drop. Sound the alarms. We got another Kith collaboration coming. Here's the information. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, usually don't do these videos because resellers are out there kind of looking out and watching out for opportunities to make some money. But I figured they make it anyway. They're gonna buy the watches, they're gonna get them and resell them. So before they do, I'm hopefully give you an opportunity to get a watch too. So here's the information. We got another Kith drop coming very soon. Matter of fact, it drops tomorrow, March 22nd. So have your wallets ready. Stay tuned. Be ready to cop that piece. I think it's a great watch. This is the third collaboration of the Kith and G-Shock. The first one was this 6900. The second was this one here, a nice box set. I did reviews on both of these watches. I'll put the link to both of these reviews in the description of this video. Without further ado, here's information on what's going on. Like I said, this is the third collaboration. All of them have been 6900s. This new one is mind-blowing. It's absolutely stunning. But it comes with a price of 400 USD retail price. I think it's the most expensive of the series, but I think it's worth it. Maybe you have to decide on your own if it's worth it. Already, I've seen them listed on eBay for about $700 to $800. People, come on. It hasn't even dropped. Give it a minute. But here we go. Here's some pictures, and just for information, loyal customers, those who have purchased the past Kith collaborations, did get an invitation to purchase and reserve the watch before it actually drops. Ta-da! I myself was one of those lucky people. Yes, got totally lucky. Got the email yesterday, and I was able to copy it before it went on sale to the public. So check those emails if you bought in the past from them. They might have sent you an email giving you an invoice to make a purchase before it drops to the public. Let's go. Yes. All right. So here we have it. The DW6900 GM, I believe it is, because it's the metallic bezel on this puppy. It's gorgeous. It's very clean design. And they're pushing this rainbow forged metal design on the watch. This is very popular nowadays in the market. They've come out, G-Shock has released several new models with this beautiful rainbow pattern print on the forged metal bezel. You may be familiar with the few series that just released recently. This is another one with the same colorway, and I think they blew it out of the park. It's gorgeous, rainbow forged metal. And here you can see some pictures of the actual watch. Here we go. Let's check this out. I will be doing a review as soon as I get it in my hands. But in the meantime, here are some pictures to hold you down. All right. You can see the rainbow print right there on the bezel. Very gorgeous, vibrant colorway. Very ready for spring and summer colorway. Wearing those white pants. Why not? Let's do it. If that's your style, why not? All right. You have this gorgeous translucent bands. Look at that, with the Kith monogram all on that. Yes, very stunning. Now check out this blue buckle on there. Gorgeous, looks like it's IP plated blue buckle and band keeper. Yes, man, they nailed it. I don't know how it worked, but it really does work. All right. Again, this is retail for $400, so be prepared to pay it. Kith is one of those brands that is kind of known for the high tags, and it is what it is. But if you're looking to resell, please, I beg you not to buy these watches and resell them. Keep them for your own collection, but please be mindful. They're probably only going to allow one per person per household, so don't try to add too many to your cart because your order will be rejected. All right, guys? Hopefully this is useful to all my collectors and G-Shock enthusiasts out there. We're trying to collect and make a name for ourselves, guys. Great watch. Hopefully you get one. If you do, please come back and give me a like, comment, and just share this video for all those that you know who are into G-Shock collaborations and that might be interested in copying this piece. Don't miss out. Until next time, this is Chicago. Holla at you boys, guys. I'm out of here. Hit the like button just for the information. All right? I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar.